What's going on YouTube? Today what I'm going to be doing is unboxing and reviewing this Black & Decker BV 2900 blower vacuum mulcher. So what I'm trying to see is the suction power and how many times I'm going to need to change the bag on a normal size yard. So I got all those leaves. So let me unbox this and see what we got here. All right, so as I'm opening this up, looks like a vacuum attachment. One piece of the vacuum attachment there. Looks like a blower piece, manual. This looks like another piece to the vacuum attachment. This looks like another blower piece. This is the actual main unit itself. It's kind of heavy. Put that off to the side. And last but not least, the blower bag. I want to say that's a decent size. So we got blower attachments, vacuum attachments, manual, plus a bag. So let me see how we put all this together. Okay, so I went ahead and snapped that in. I don't know if you can see that well. So I guess when you take this off, close this up, it blows. Right here, you put this in here, it creates a suction. So this part here, I guess you would put your blower attachment to. But since I'm going to be using it for the vacuum, attach my vacuum piece. So it looks like we're all set up here. So let's see how this works. Now, as you can see, all those leaves there, it's kind of awkward. Up right here. Look, all fell right back out. Did you just see that? Fall right back out. Fell right back out again. It's pretty heavy. Pretty loud. Let's see here. Let's try this little area here. Right there, it just sounded like all the suction gave up for some reason. Yeah, the suction's not very strong at all. I thought it was going to be a lot stronger for some reason. Yeah, the suction's not very strong at all. Thought it would have been stronger for some reason. But I definitely don't see myself doing the whole yard like this. It's kind of awkward. The bag part. Right here, you can only get so far down. It's heavy. Suction's kind of weak. Well, it's pretty weak. What do you expect? The thing was 50 bucks on sale. I thought I was getting a good deal, but I don't know. I really don't see myself doing the whole yard like this. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it like for actual lawn. But see right here, I got some leaves on my deck. So let me see if I can pick that up. How hard it would be to pick those leaves up right. That was pretty good. Didn't pick up too much, but my bag's almost full here. So all in all, I guess it's an okay unit for the price. Paid right under 50 bucks for it, but I wouldn't recommend it for picking up leaves from your lawn. But big piles of leaves, not too bad.